Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower roller cam engine for our customer's 1966 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we have the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new balancer, new timing cover, high flow fuel pump, all the fittings are installed, gas filter, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor. We have the MSD ignition coil on there, small cap distributor all set in place, painted the dark Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs installed, proper oil pan for the 66 Mustang, the front sump oil pan, oil pressure extensions installed, we have the aluminum heads on there. All the roller rocker arms are all fully adjusted and set. These real nice Ford Racing valve covers with the pleated 14-inch air cleaner. Quick fuel carburetors on there, all set. Throttle return spring and bracket, throttle cable ball. You even have the manifold vacuum fittings in there. Proper flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission. Proper tooth count and balance. These real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue. Made in USA, all the wire markers, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Customer wanted the alternator only, so we put the 140 amp alternator on there, one wire hookup. High flow aluminum water pump, proper water pump, 66 Mustang, lower hose on the passenger side. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, all set. Every engine is live run for over an hour. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum readings, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, photos of the entire engine build sent to you. So there you have it. This is our 302 Ford 350 horsepower roller cam turnkey package. You ready to buy? Give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.